It's April 3rd, and another black box has arrived from Amazon, the Hot Wheels black box. This should be, get it open. This should be from the H case, I believe. We'll confirm that here in a second. Let's see what we got here. Oh, yep, it's the H case. So it's the H box. Oh, got the Moon Ice Combi. Here, I just sent out a bunch of combis, and that's cool. That's a really cool looking combi. Oh, gee, a Batmobile. Go figure. The Batmobiles are hot and heavy this year. New for 2023, the Batman Forever Batmobile. Okay, the Lamborghini Sian FKP 37 60th Anniversario. I like the logo with the little bull horns. Man, it sure be nice to really own a Lamborghini. Of course, for that matter, it'd be nice to own a 70 Dodge Charger, just not tuned. Fast and Furious, new for 2023, tuned Dodge Charger. Oh, man. I'm just not big on the tuned cars. Hot Wheels Muscle Mania Twinduction. Okay. Fantasy car. I got a bone shaker in one of these. Wasn't expecting that. That's kind of a cool bone shaker. It's a nice looking one. Ugh, the art cars. Cloak and Dagger. Oh, it has like a clear base. Huh. That's interesting. Special feature. What is it? Oh, apparently the top part of the body comes off the bottom part. Huh. Okay. New for 2023, HW4 track, just a race car type thing. 70 Dodge Power Wagon. I'm just not big on the brown wheels on that, but that's a nice, I mean, how can you not love a Power Wagon, right? Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. That's a nice looking car. Fast and Furious. The Jaguar I-Pace E-Trophy. I hate to say it. Looks like just any other import. I expect them to, I don't know, I expect more from a Jag. See, now, if you told me this was the Jag, I'd be like, oh, okay. Fast Fellion. Fellion. F-E-L-I-O-N. Huh. 71 Plymouth GTX. Seems like I got this in another case too, but it's a nice looking car. Pagani Zonda R. We're getting to the end. Matt and Debbie Hayes 88 Pro Street Thunderbird. This in black and gold. That's not bad looking. And finally, the BMW i8 Roadster. I don't know, the case isn't too bad. I'm just not feeling the excitement in it though. And I'm not sure why. But I guess I keep hoping for a treasure hunt or a super treasure hunt, and I'm just not getting. I was surprised by the bone shaker. That was kind of cool. But then I like bone shakers, and there's people who would hate it. So, and Batmobiles. Yeah, only one in this case. I guess that's a good thing. Yeah, I've been two of my traditional favorites, the bone shaker and the cool combi. So that was kind of cool getting those in this case. So that's what I got out of the Amazon Black Box H version. So I hope you like this opening. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.